The driverless car, it's almost here. In fact, the former General Motors executive just said that the electric autonomous car could go on sale as soon as 2018. And of course, there was Tesla just this week announcing that its Model S owners can now download a $2,500 software update that will make their cars self-driving. But will it live up to the hype? And speaking of hype, augmented reality. There's a company called Magic Leap that's valued at $4.5 billion. I get this, they have no product, no sales, no profits, but look at that. That's a cool video, isn't it? So, is that a sign of a market top, or is this a new reality? Cathie Wood, ARK Investment CEO and CIO, and David Nelson, Belpointe Asset Management Chief Strategist, is with us. Cathie, I thought of you because you invest in these companies with these sexy stories and these tech names, and Magic Leap is going to raise another $1 billion, be worth $4.5 billion. No one even hardly knows what it is, except it's got this augmented reality. These are the kind of things that were prevalent when we hit the last bubble. Yes. Bubble top.
Yes, they were. You heard virtual reality, augmented reality back there. This seems like old technology. But because of the boom in smartphones, we've got now the components to make this a reality. These two, virtual reality and really probably more augmented reality, are going to be the next computing platforms, we think.
But I mean, again, it's hard to understand how it works. But if you look at their video, and by the way, it's crazy. I mean, it takes you into this world. But I don't even know how they've monetize something like this, David.
Go to the landing page, Charles, of this company. It's pretty exciting. What's not to like there? I have to agree with Cathie on this, and usually I'm the value guy, and I push this aside. We've been talking about this kind of technology really for the last, 60, 70 years through science fiction. Companies like this might be the early building blocks for this going out.
Why wouldn't it be just the next GoPro? Very sexy, maybe a hot IPO,
I think this is beyond GoPro. I think this is going to infiltrate in a lot of other ways. Look, Facebook paid $2 billion for Oculus. The fact that this has a $4.5 billion, yeah, it's a lot more. This is going to be the only company that's been able to do $1 billion round other than Uber.
Right. And that's what made me think, golly, you know what, if this doesn't work, we may look back and say Magic Leap was the sign of the top. Because, again, listen, Google's a big investor, one of the first investors, and they bombed on Google Glass. I mean, they just laid an egg on it. And maybe some people are saying this is their revenge.
But there'll be a lot of failures, Charles. We know that. But look, Thomas Edison failed constantly while he was building the light bulb. Maybe this company will not be it, but more will come behind.
So Andreessen and Horowitz is involved. Ben Evans from...
Have you seen their track record? I mean, you understand that VC track record. They have like 17 losers for every winner. Now, granted, the winner's a big winner. Yeah, it's a hell of a one-trick pony.
Ben Evans went to Florida to see this demo, and he's not full of...
Before I let you go, Amazon exploding in the aftermarket, Google exploding in the aftermarket, Facebook at a new all-time high, even Microsoft. Yeah. You got to be feeling real good about these tech.
Feeling really good about them.
All right, Cathie, you're making a lot of people a lot of money.